Greetings, Tangler. Welcome to Inktober 2025, day 11. Today we are going to be working on Bee Fly, which is a tangle by Paz Munoz Camacho. Hopefully I didn't butcher that name too much. And what I'm going to do, I don't know if you have realized yet, if you are on this Inktober journey with me in a smash book, there were not enough tiles for 31 days of Inktober. So my plan was that sometimes on these bigger bijou, full-size bijou tiles, I'm going to do more than one tangle. I'm just going to double up on some of them. So Bee Fly is the first one that I'm going to do that with. So let's look at this one. So Bee Fly is going to start with a teardrop. I'm going to put it a little off on an angle instead of straight up and down. And then I'm going to do 3 more of these, getting smaller each time, but letting them run through the teardrop that's already there. So when I do my classes and I say we do not cross ink lines 99% of the time, this is the 1%. So I'm going to start at that point again. I'm going to do my second teardrop, and then a third, and then the fourth, the last one. So I added 3 more. And then I'm going to ink in the seed type shape where they crossed over. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a line and a dot, very similar to how many of us do flux. And these teardrops were very much flux-ish. And then down here at the bottom, Paz adds a few orbs. And the last step is to do a thin aura all the way around, connecting it all together. Kind of cool. So I think I'll do another one, and I'm going to do it mirrored in the opposite direction. So it was teardrop, another one, another one, another one. Maybe this time instead of inking it in, I'll do Knightsbridge type lines. Get in my orbs, however I want those. And then thin aura all the way around. We can add those lines and the dots if we want. Certainly don't have to. Cute. Cute, cute. Now let's try something different this time. Let's put some shadow, put some red at the tops of these. And sometimes in orbs, they're so small that all that we can get is a suggestion that there's different coloring down in there. It almost looks to me like a butterfly or a firefly flitting along, landing on Lilith. So there you have it. Bee Fly by Paz Munoz Camacho. Hope you liked this one. See you next time. Bye-bye.